All right, we're back with some more basketball fans, of course. Ricky Carandang here.
Ricky had to brush up on basketball before he actually got
Everybody knows that I don't know anything about sports. Which is why I didn't ask you
Ask
guys
Ricky
anything.
about the economy, about the Muslims, about
Ask me about anything but
charity.
sports.
So anyways, let's go back to the hanging question about how the players felt about Coach Koy Banal having one full season to prepare with Alex as a veteran. Kamusta yung naging adjustments ninyo sa pagpasok na season na to with Coach Koy?
Hindi naman kami ganong nahirapan kasi kung magturo naman siya, he make sure na naiintindihan namin. So, pagpasok ngayong season na to, alam namin na kung binigyan niya kami ng goal, so, yun, pinag-practice namin hanggang nakuha na namin.
John Paul, bilang rookie, kinabahan ka ba na, wow, Coach Koy Banal, ano yan, parang champion coach nito sa FEU, ang dami na nagawa sa career niya. May konti bang intimidation o na-excite ka na marami kang matututunan sa kanya?
Na-excite po ako na alam ko marami akong matututunan sa kanya. Tsaka, kasi before NCAA season started, last year, after nung pagkatalo namin sa last game namin sa NCAA, a week after, start na kami ng ensayo for this year's NCAA. So, along the way, parang natutunan ko din kung ano si Coach Koy, ganito. So, parang yung intimidation factor, wala na yun. Tsaka, lahat kami masaya dahil Coach Koy ang coach namin eh. So, I know he can bring the team to the top like what he just did right now.
Alright, siguro final message nyo na lang sa buong San Beda community, sa students, alumni, who wants to say any words to your supporters to thank them for being all out this year? And final blessing?
Well, there's no enough thank I can give to these people. I haven't seen spirit like this before, ever since I was born. San Beda, the spirit I saw there so high that they're very supportive, even though we are down. They are part of our winning. All the games. I don't know how to thank them. They are very, very supportive. I great, especially our managers like Boss Mike, Manny, Mangolina, and something like that. They are good,
All right. Well, Yusuf, your final words also to the fans of San Beda, the supporters. Salamat na.
Like Sam said, we can win without them. Kaya malaki talaga silang tulong sa amin. Especially yung mga managers namin, si MVP nga, sina Boss Mike, sina Tito Art Tugade, sina Boss J. Marsan, tsaka yung mga, sina Tito Albert. Tsaka lahat ng priest sa San Beda.
Alright, last question. Back to back ba next year?
Why not? Dapat ganun, why not?
Buo kayo, di ba? Si Alex ang graduate eh.
Kaya po namin.
So that's the promise of San Beda. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, guys.
And your good friend, Manny Pangilinan, is a very happy man.
And if Ateneo wins both of his schools.
Oh yeah, he'd be a happy man. Very happy man. My goodness. And that just puts pressure on his talk and text team in the PBA to bring him a crown there too.
That's true. Anyway, that's it for Mornings at ANC Today. I'm Ricky Carandang.
And I'm Mariton Pacheco. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Didn't it say you're ANC's cheerleader? I'm teaching him
a lot of funny things in the...
I know. Stay tuned for more news and Dateline Philippines coming your way in an hour. Email us at mornings@abs-cbn.com. Till tomorrow, thank you for watching.
Camarita attacks, scores, and is fouled.
Where is the defense of PCU? You may give PCU a chance to score more in the other end. It's still mathematically possible, but they gotta up the tempo.
Wow, Jamal. Now Jamal is open. 16-point lead.
You just have a feeling that PCU first quarter, then motivate these boys in the dugout. So, you don't want to wait from a high of 19.
Shot clock is off. Camarita attacks, scores, and is fouled.
Where is the defense of PCU?
Out of time. Belga long bomb. Short. Aljaman has the ball. Aljaman has the ball. And time has run out with a foul. San Beda has won an NCAA championship for the first time since 1978. And generations of hungry Bedans give their anxiety sweet release.
You know, you credit San Beda and you're happy for them. 28 years, but you know, PCU, nothing to be ashamed of. They came back. You talk about hard, 20 points down, they fought.